Okay, hey everyone, it's Temper Spinner here with, Max the Bulldog. Max the Bulldog. I haven't ever used him in a video, I think. But yeah, so he don't have a speed. He has like on his butt or something. I don't know. I'm watching Animal Planet. Watching tonight. I don't watch this. I watch like, Dog 101 and stuff. Not this. I don't know what this is. Okay. So, I don't know if this is going to be... My feet are up here! Yeah. I don't know if this is going to be the only video today that I'm going to make. Probably not, because I'm going to Myers and I'm going to get stuff. So, I don't know. No webcams, though. Okay, let's see what I'm watching.
The end pieces, I'm over off of Miller Avenue.
So yeah, I've been posting a lot of Webkinz photo shoots on Webkinz_row 2004. Yeah. What? Okay, that's not you. Alright. Money. It's 2. No, it's not. Fine. What time is it? I don't know. Let's go check. It's 2:25. Okay. 2:25. This is like off. Like 10 minutes. So 2:25 and 2:35. Yeah, it's 2:25 right now. Okay. Yeah. So guess that's basically it. My phone is going to be dead shortly and soon. So I'm gonna end this video now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.